Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Abegi Swad. Today I am with a new recipe, Prawn Vindaloo. Basically, Vindaloo is an Indian curry dish based on Portuguese dish popular in Goa, Kerala and other parts of India. Vindaloo can be made with beef, mutton, pork, chicken, prawns and also vegetables. So hope you will enjoy this video, and if you enjoy, do like, comment, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. To make prawn vindaloo, I took 250-gram prawn and washed properly. Marinate with salt, turmeric and vinegar. Let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes. In a dry karai or pan, add dry chilies, cumin seeds, cloves, cinnamon and peppercorns. Roast it for 30 to 40 seconds. Switch off the flame and let it cool down completely. Then blend into fine powder and keep it aside. Now in a karai, heat oil and fry the prawns. I am frying the prawns in 2 batches. Remove the prawns from the oil and keep it aside. In the same karai, add onions and fry until translucent. Then add the tomatoes. You can also use potato. I am not using it. If using, add the potato cubes after tomato. Add salt to taste and 1 pinch sugar. Now add ginger garlic paste and fry it for a minute or so. Now add the previously made roasted powder or masala. Cook well until the raw smell of masala is gone. Add freshly grated coconut. Meanwhile, make mustard paste using 1 green chilli and a pinch of salt, and add into the karai. Cook everything for 4 to 5 minutes. Now lastly add the fried prawns. Coat them well with the masala. Add a cup of water. Let it simmer for 10 minutes at low flame. By the way, if you are a spicy food lover, then this recipe is perfect for you. Now switch off the flame and our prawn vindaloo is ready. Serve it with steamed rice. Thanks for watching. Try this unique prawn recipe and let me know the feedback in the comment section below. Like and share this recipe. Take care. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye.